Welcome to our home in Venice, and you're watching the Fantastic Four.
Hey guys, if you're a frequent visitor to our Fantastic Four channel, you know that Rhonda generally does our home tours. Well, today we are in Venice, Italy, and we thought we'd do something just a little different to mix it up, and we're doing a point of view home tour. So that's what we're doing today, and just wanted to show you this beautiful space that we have here in Venice. We're on the second floor of this apartment space. What's really unique about this is by far the oldest place we've ever stayed in. The owner of this building says it was built in the 14th century. Obviously it's been updated and remodeled since then, but the building itself is from the 14th century, which is pretty cool. Want to show you kind of how you enter the space, because that's unique as well. See the stairwell here, and there's no front door down there. So let's go check it out. We're going to go down one flight of stairs, and then we'll turn the corner, and there's another flight of steps, and it gets dark here. I apologize, but you can see the front door down that second flight of steps, and that is the front door to the apartment. So we'll come back up and you'll see firsthand what it's like to enter this apartment. It's pretty unique. So you come up the steps and you can go either way, but we'll just come in this way, and let's go into the kitchen first. You can see we have some clothes drying on the drying rack. You can ignore that. But this is the kitchen space. There's lots of amenities with this, all the cookware and cups and glasses you could ever want, which is really nice because we don't always get that. Even paper towels, we rarely get things to clean the dishes with sometimes. It's disappointing, but this has everything. It's just very well thought out and taken care of. So real quickly, nice little refrigerator, and even has a freezer, which again, it's not all that common in the spaces we've stayed in. While we're down here, I'll show you the cabinetry. It's really deep, a deep wood, really nice. And while we're down here, I'll show you the oven. I love the oven. It just looks like a wood burning oven. Of course it's not, it's gas, and you can see the gas stovetop here, which is nice for heating things up fast. You got your sink, and again, some more storage space up top. You turn around here and it's an eat-in kitchen. And there's the table. We like to do a lot of grocery shopping, just the budget travel that we tend to do. We'll get groceries and eat in, which is nice because you use the space to its fullest potential. So a nice little table there. Let's head in to the first bedroom, which is right here. First bedroom has two single beds, and this is where the girls are sleeping. Lots of windows in this space and in the living space, but two single beds. And again, the woodwork in the furniture, and here's a chest of drawers, just really unique and rich in tone. Here's the armoire. You can kind of see, oh, there I am. You can kind of see the armoire there. So lots of storage, places to unpack our stuff and make us feel at home. I'll give you a peek out the window so you can kind of see. So this is Venice. It is raining today, but if you can see, we can look straight down on the streets of Venice. Very cool. So we got a great view out each and every window, which has been nice. So that's the first bedroom. And let's we'll walk through the kitchen again and into the living area. It's a nice just sitting area. We've used it more to keep our stuff on as we go in and out of the apartment. But it is a nice little bench there. And then more of the proper living area. A couch, very comfortable couch. Nice little table, side table. These bookshelves, and this is obviously newly added. Again, just the woodwork in here, there's a lot of that. I don't know if I showed you the beams in this place. Again, it just lends itself to the overall ambiance of this apartment. But anyway, some bookshelves there, some storage up top, really nice. Most of the books are in Italian. Big Stephen King fan though. I think we counted about every Stephen King book there is up there. Nice artwork along the walls as well. And there you just get a long view of the apartment from living room to kitchen. Just a couple more rooms to show you. Let's go in here. This is the master bedroom, if you will. It's by the bathroom. And you can see you have some windows there. The nice beam work and ceiling work with the wood. And a nice size queen bed. There's some storage space over here. Again, we love that. Just to unpack and feel at home. And I'll give you a view. There's again more chest of drawers and storage there. But pretty simple setup here in the master bedroom. Let's go into the bathroom. This is a one bath apartment. So we'll head on in here. And as we enter, you'll see again the woodwork in the sink. That rich wood that's throughout this whole apartment. It's very nice. This is actually a washer, which we try to get with most of our apartments because we've packed pretty much 2 of everything in a backpack. And so we frequently need to wash our stuff. Toilet, a bidet, and small shower. There's no lights. It's really a dark place to take a shower, but it works, and decent water pressure, and most importantly, hot water. That's another thing that we never know what we're going to get, is if we're going to get real hot water or just sort of lukewarm or hot followed by cold. We've had a whole bunch of everything. So that's our apartment in Venice. We've loved it. It's very cozy, very homey. Again, one of the oldest places we've stayed in. It's a 14th century structure, obviously remodeled. They did a great job with it. And I'll just leave you with this. Again, we like to just kind of peer out the windows and see what's happening on the streets of Venice. And that's what I'll do to leave you. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, if you wouldn't mind giving us a thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. And otherwise, we will see you next time on the Fantastic Four.